from its intraday high of $6.9 all the way down to 5.79, where it's currently trading at right now, down 11.18%. It's believed that the company wants to spin off one of its business units into a separate public entity. I think wants to do that. I think it could be why we're looking at this 11% plunge, and they're saying that it's going to take place during the second half of this year, 2025. What we can here see, what we can see here is that because of this plunge, the price channel on we're using here on Think and Swim has expanded. So as such, what one of the likely outcomes will be a contraction of this price channel, and then after that, we may see either a resumption to the upside or a contraction. So the stock has banished the bearish thesis against it that took place, that was published as of the end of last year, 2024, and yeah, continue to print higher highs. So quite a volatile stock as well, given the sharp the recoveries and the spikes we have seen it print. So as things stand right now, do we have projections? Do we have 5.76 is an upper projection? No, it's a downward projection on this daily chart. So I don't think we have any. There isn't any on this 4 hour chart. Let's have a look at the daily chart to see if there's any here, and then we might be able to see if we can do a computation ourselves. Let's see. Um, yeah, as things stand right now, there on the daily chart, we have an upper projection of a 6.12, and that's it. That's all we have, 6.12. Okay, let's see. Can we see anywhere we can do a computation? See what we can use to do some projections. Okay, let's take 6.9 and 5.8. So we have 1.1. We have a difference of 1.1. 1.1 multiplied by 1.618. We add that to the current price of 5.81. We have 7.58. Really ambitious. 7.58. Yeah. If you can make the case that if it's going to continue to show the strength it was showing before now, then 7.58 is not exactly something that will be too much for it to do. ASPI. So we have 7.59. So let's take 1.1 again, multiplied by 2.618. Add that to the current price of 5.81. We have 8.69. 8.69. So 1.1 multiplied by 3.618. Add that to the current price of 5.82. We have 9.98. 9.78. 9.78. So yeah, you could make a case that if it's already showing strength, if it was already strongly bullish, that yeah, eventually those sort of prices will most certainly print. Yeah. So just have a look, and I'll continue to update you. The stock is in a strong bullish trend. Yeah, all of its moving averages are sloping bullishly upwards. It's and also trading above all of them as well. Let me see. Let's see on this daily chart whether there's any indication of weakness. There might be. Okay. No, we don't have any. We can add an indicator here. The 10-day the price pressure momentum indicator. Let's see. We have yeah, okay, everything's positive, even though we have the second derivative approaching negative values. So there's a good chance that on that 10-day moving average, or just I wouldn't say approaching, but it's just slightly above negative figures, maybe. Strength is there, momentum is there, but there seems to be some moderation, somewhat. I guess maybe with this decline we are looking at right now, maybe it has it has ensured that second derivative has just weakened somewhat. Let's have a look at this 4 hour chart and see what's going on here. Everything is positive. Everything is positive. Derivatives are they have very high numbers, indeed, and indeed also the price pressure momentum, very high numbers. So even with this retracement, the indicators are still suggesting that momentum is still strong. Okay, all right, yeah, okay, yeah. See what you make of ASPI. We have projections we calculated here: 7.59, 8.69, 9.78. There's absolutely no guarantee that those will print. Just be really careful. Know how you're dealing with this. I'm not exactly sure that this is a good investment. I'm not exactly sure. If anything, it may just be a good play, good trade, a good trade. That is if you know how to do so. Okay, so thank you very much, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.